During the course of this situation, I was exposed, right? Um, the moment I found out that I was exposed, I wasn't contacted, but I was able to find out that this colleague was positive, and I've been around this colleague. So I took that initiative to go on quarantine myself.
Meet Ololu Wademilo Oleon. He has worked 9 years as a correctional officer at Jessup. Sometime in March, he was exposed to COVID-19. He went into isolation, separating himself from his wife and 2 children. This was the early days of the coronavirus. The day he'll never forget, the test results following quarantine.
The day I was called after my test and I was told I was negative, I jumped out of the room and I went to the living room and I told my children I'm negative. So they were just dancing and happy.
Patrick Moran represents Oleon as a member of ASME.
A lot of the essential services that are being done by the state right now are being done by our members, the AFSC members across the state of Maryland, whether that is providing people with guidance on unemployment insurance, which we've seen go from 3,000 cases to over 100,000 cases in the last month, to people that need food stamps, or people that are in state hospitals where we have patients that live as a result of mental illness, or just they're unable to take care of themselves.
So you're likely to find ASME workers here at the state office complex here in Baltimore, but they don't come in contact with the public too much. But those who do have to worry about their own health as well as the health of their loved ones.
Why aren't they able to provide the basics for a healthy and safe workplace for the clients and their own employees?
What the union wants is more testing of frontline workers, provide personal protective gear, and they're looking for written plans. Reacting to their request, the governor rolled out universal testing for all Department of Public Safety and Correctional Services and the Department of Juvenile Services staff, which will include their inmate population. The governor also said he would begin 20,000 tests per week to nursing homes. In Baltimore, I'm Charles Robinson for State Circle.